So I've come back from getting mail. I thought I was going to get a bunch. Just got this. And since I've been gone for 15 minutes, something definitely came back while I was gone and ate its head. So there's something in the bushes. This is new. Something's in the bushes around here. Eating its head. Darn. Little guy. But I don't really see, I mean, maybe it's a bird. I don't really see anything. Like I said, there was lynx tracks way down there, and then they go into the bushes though. So maybe now just the bird is eating it? I don't know. Now these are the, let's see, what are these? Bunny tracks. So there's its tracks, but then nothing. And there's a little bit of blood down here. Right here. So maybe the initial attack spot. And then that bunny, there's some blood on some paw prints. I think that's the lynx probably. The initial kill spot. Thought the bunny maybe wasn't quite dead and took off and died right there, and the lynx went off into the bushes. Maybe it all happened right before I was on my way to get mail. I don't know. I wish I knew, but I don't know. Maybe you know.